How to automatically save VIP WooCommerce customers to Google Sheets based on total spent. Let's jump in. Before we get started, make sure your FunnelKit Automations is connected to Google Sheets. Simply go to FunnelKit Automations in your WordPress dashboard, find Connectors, and click Connect. Log into the Google account you want to use, and you're all set. Once connected, let's move on to creating a new automation. Start by adding the Order Created Event trigger from the WooCommerce options. This trigger ensures that the automation kicks in every time someone places an order. Now, you'll want to specify the order status for which you want to push VIP customers. You can choose to trigger the automation when the order is completed, draft, on hold, or processing. Here, we'll go with completed. So, whenever a VIP order is completed, the data will be pushed to Google Sheets. By default, FunnelKit Automations will run this automation for all products in your store. However, if you prefer, you can choose to apply it to specific products. Also, be sure to decide whether you want to collect VIP data for the first order once, or for every order multiple times. Next, let's set up a condition to identify VIP customers based on their total spending. Add a condition next to the Order Created Event trigger. In the condition settings, select Total Revenue under WooCommerce and set the amount to greater than $200, or any amount you prefer. This condition ensures that only customers who have spent more than $200 in your store will be flagged as VIPs. With the condition set, it's time to add an action that will send these VIP customer details to Google Sheets. Navigate to the Send Data section and choose Insert Row under Google Sheets. Once done, click Done to add the action. Now, let's set up your Google Sheets. Open a new spreadsheet in a separate tab and copy the sheet ID. Remember, the ID is the part of the URL between d/ and /edit, not the entire URL. After copying the ID, paste it into the Enter Google Spreadsheet ID field on your automation setup page, and click on Get Sheet to synchronize with your spreadsheet. If your spreadsheet contains multiple worksheets, make sure to select the one where you want the data to appear. Next, specify which Google Sheet column will store which data. In the Data section, click on Add New. Use merge tags to pull in the data you need, such as the customer's name, email, country, and the total amount of money they've spent. Copy these merge tags and paste them into the respective data columns in your automation setup. Once everything is configured, hit Save to finalize your automation. Don't forget to activate the automation by toggling it to Active. To ensure everything is working smoothly, place a test order and check the total amount spent. If it's greater than $200, the customer should be automatically added to your VIP list in Google Sheets. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a WooCommerce to Google Sheets integration to automatically push VIP customer details based on their total spending. Ready to add this Google Sheets integration and need help? Shoot us an email at support@funnelkit.com. Happy selling!